What's up, Johnny? We are alive. Here we go. Hello. Don't know if anyone's gonna hear this or see this. My intention is just kind of just for me. Today, it's a Sunday. It's a chilly Sunday here in San Diego. Got the hoodie on. Just gonna kind of just see where this goes to kind of help me find a little peace and quietness in my head. Kind of like it's gonna document my journey for my mental health. It's important. We work out our bodies. How come we can't work out our mind and our head? If anyone's watching this, my name is Johnny, middle-aged dude. Went to college, went to UCLA, got a degree, worked in the bio field for quite some time, quit my job, started my own business, little restaurant. I can say I lived a pretty fun life. Pretty grateful. Met a lot of friends, have a great family. Recently got married. We have a stepson, 10 years old. Sorry, I'm also doing my laundry now, so it's kind of annoying. But I decided to talk out here outside because I like to hear the chirping of the birds, the traffic, the cars, airplanes, the leaves falling. That kind of helps me calm my brain down. I think we're here today because hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Stop it. My dog wants to come out, hang out. See, lost my train of thought. So the reason why we're here is try not to show a train wreck. We're here to rebuild the train, if you know what I mean. So it's been a pretty rough year, and I want something better for myself and for my friends and my family and my wife, my kids, and just trying to get that best version. And I believe we start today. So the first step for me was kind of try to reach out, have a good support group behind me, develop a game plan, and then we'll take it there day by day. It's very easy to lose a grip in life. Lose a grip. I don't know how to say that, but you know what I mean. Not when things go wrong, but maybe when you're overwhelmed, it can get kind of tough. Maybe I'm the dude that always likes to be in control or knows how to manage things in my head, but in actuality, it's just like chaos. So we're gonna try to slow things down this year. Appreciate everything. Smell the roses. Don't skip steps. And then I hope it'll improve every relationship I have with everybody. Sorry, I don't mean to wear shades right now. It was just a rough weekend, and also, like they say, your future's so bright, right? But let's just get back to the little joy. Let's smile a little more. Let's put in the effort this year. I don't know, like I said, who will be watching this. I'm hoping it will be me, and by the end of the year, my little vlogs, I could see a little spark in there, a little old me. Old me was fun. Old me was everyone wanted to be around that guy, and that's the guy my wife wanted to marry, So peaks and valleys in life, and I'm gonna make sure we got this, right? We got this. So growing up, mental health is kind of like a little taboo, especially being Asian. You just kind of be quiet, keep to yourself. But maybe don't really know how to handle a lot of things that goes on upstairs. So I'm starting from scratch with you guys, or you, me, Johnny. Even though I'm a smart guy, came from a smart family, these were some of the small lessons I was never taught. You know, of course, I can open up a book, go on the internet, figure out, self-diagnose myself, but sometimes you put that off because I was never told it was important. You know, I was never told like there's ways to fix it or ways to cope. Maybe also like I had a big ego, never wanted to get help, never wanted to reach out because it's like shame, you know, you feel bad. You couple that with like some bad days of not sleeping, not eating right, drinking, all these vices like can kind of compound like what's really going on. So this is our day one, or one day, or well, day one or one day, something like that, right? I think the next vlog we're gonna do, well, first of all, my whole day, I had a great sleep. That was number one. It was probably my first time I had a good night's sleep. Woke up supercharged. I cleaned the kitchen, took out the trash, cleaned our bathroom, shampooed our carpet, let my wife just rest and read her book, and it was kind of my turn to take care of things. Cause I was slouching. I'm not gonna lie. I was lagging. I wasn't being him. You know what I'm saying? So I felt good. Wanted to get all that done before football. Watch football. Took my dog for a little run. So that felt good. You know. I'm gonna try to be very consistent on things I do. All the small things are gonna add up to become like a really big goal at the end. Fitness wise, I'm gonna get back into it. Make sure I do everything correctly, not slacking, and also not putting a lot of pressure on me. I think that's the key, because I'm very hard on myself. I think we have a simple plan tonight. We're gonna do what is called sleep hygiene. So I'm gonna get better at my sleep. Since I was a kid, I always had the TV on, so I could never sleep. So I'd always have the TV on. I never wanted to hear my racing thoughts. I never wanted to hear what goes on my head. I was always scared of like peace and quiet and alone, being alone when I'm inside the house. So it was recommended. We're gonna look up some programs for sleep hygiene. We're gonna be like Kendrick and turn the TV off at night. No scrolling, turning off all the blue light, no phones. We're gonna prime the body at night because we want to make sure the body works for my brain to shut off, and sleep help me better at sleeping. So the way, no eating, no drinking, that way the body's not gonna work on like, hey, you gotta go to the bathroom and wake up. It's just gonna be strictly like all that good energy is gonna go straight to like, let's put this boy out. We're gonna wake up and dominate the day in the morning. All right, guys. So till then, I think my laundry just finished. Sorry, I'm out here on my porch. It was a little loud, I guess. Remember, Johnny, we are alive and we're here. Let's go.
There's Matt BK right there finishing off the pressure.
Yeah.
They've gotten better since week 11. They've gotten comfortable since week 11. Not giving up big plays.
How you doing today,
big challenge
Bea?
today now going against Josh
We
Allen.
did so much today.
As far as Buffalo's offense is
You
concerned,
ready to take a
it's
nappy nap?
It ends, of course, with
but Curtis Samuel, he's that positionless player.
Oh,
You see him
Bea.
in shifts, in motions, a lot of
Love
pre-snap
you
movement.
so
Look at him
much,
for
cutie
those jet
tootie.
sweeps, quick passes, getting him going early. He's that
I know
guy
you're tired.
that
We
can
did a
be an
lot.
X-factor and
Until your mom
change
gets
the game in the
home,
moment.
we're gonna eat a
James Cook,
big
right?
ass
It's gonna be
steak.
cold up there tonight.
of course the game in
Wanna go for a walk? Come on.
That's why it was a motivator.
Wanna go for a walkie? Let's go for a walk, okay? Sit. 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 Look at me. Sit. Up here. Up here. Okay, look. Here, come on. Up. Okay, sit. Sit. Let's go, babe. Go. You know who teaches me a lot? This is my dog, Bea. These simple pleasures of her just sniffing, enjoying it, each sniff, taking her time. Man, that's the life. Look at that. It's like her social media, sniffing all her homies. Like, what you been up to, what you been eating. I smell that spaghetti you ate. I'm just kidding. Hi, Bea. Take your time, girl. Go home. Let's go home. Ready? Go. Let's go. Hey guys, I've included some B-roll footage of our lovely dog, Bea. She means so much to us. I think it's important I put her in because she makes me happy and she keeps me, my wife, and our kid at peace. She's a bundle of joy, and she's more than just a dog, she's our family. So just taking her on some walks. I'll throw her in once in a while. I mean, she loves attention, so if you're on IG, you can follow her at Heya_Bea. Also, over the weekend, while my wife was taking some photos, I walked on a little executive golf course, which I'll just put at the end. And basically, moments like these I cherish. It's just very quiet and peaceful, and you do hear the birds, you do hear the planes. It's just a good time to breathe correctly, refocus, and just enjoy your company that you're with, and enjoy. And I was just enjoying the moment in San Diego. It's just like a beautiful place, but it was getting kind of chilly, so enjoyed the little walk. I only put a little bit because I actually did walk most of the little course, and there was no golfers, so hey, I had to do it. All right, love you guys, bye.